Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter number 3rd of SS, that is government. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about government. We will learn about the functions, the importance, the different levels, the laws, and the organs of the government. Okay, so first of all, you have heard this word government everywhere. In the newspaper we are seeing this word, in the news every time in news we are hearing this word, that government is doing that, government is doing that, government is participating in this work, government is not doing this work. Every time we hear this word government. Now what does this word government means? What functions they are doing? What functions they are performing? What is the importance of government in our life? All these things, all this concept, we will clear it out in this chapter. Okay, so first of all, why we need government? Why there is a need of government? Okay, so the country needs a government to make laws as per its constitution and take decision and implement them. You all know that. Okay, why we need government? We need government for better development. For developing ourselves, we need one person who can guide us. So that one person is government, who are guiding us in the way of developing. Okay, they are making laws for us by seeing our constitution book. They are making laws, they are taking some decision, and they are implementing them too, for our development, for the welfare of public, and for the welfare of the whole nation. They are taking some actions, they are taking some decisions, they are making some law, and they are implementing the same. Okay, why? For our development, for public welfare, they are doing this kind of work. Okay, so now what work they are doing? Like, where should the school and roads be constructed? Should the rates of different commodities be increased or decreased? How to ensure that electricity is supplied to everyone? Decisions such as there is usually taken by the government. Thus, the government performs a very important functions. Okay, we came to know about the government work through the media. This all are the different types of functions which government is performing. And how we know about these functions of government? With the help of media. With the help of media, we got to know the different functions which government are performing for our welfare. Okay, now the next topic is the functions of the government. What function government is doing? Now first of all, what is government? Okay, government क्या होता है? What does this word government mean? Government is a managing committee. Government is a managing committee who work as per the wishes of people and for their welfare. As we are living in the democratic country, here government work for the welfare of the people, not for themselves. Not for themselves they are working. They are working for the welfare of the people, for the development of the people. They are taking various steps for solving economic and social problems. Okay, economic and social problem of the society, of the nation, they are taking various steps to solve them. They are providing so many things. They are sometimes they are helping to improve our economic conditions also. Okay, by giving ration, by giving free ration, free electricity. In this way they are helping us for solving our economic problem also. Okay, they are concerned about the nation's economic conditions and the problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. They are providing so many facilities to us. They are giving us the government hospitals, government schools, in which the expense is quite low compared to the private schools and private hospitals. You know that in government schools and colleges and hospitals, you have to pay less amount compared to private schools and private hospital. So they are providing us so many facilities for our betterment. They are providing us so many facilities, and they are maintaining the friendly relation with other countries also. Why? Because sometimes if we need help of other country, sometimes if we need help of other country in any situation, so if the friendly relations are there, then we got the help from other country also. So this all are the this all are the functions of government which they are doing for the welfare of public. Next is importance of government. Why government is important for us? So government is making law and ensuring that all the citizens of India follow that law. They are seeing that each and every people follow the law which is made by them. There are so many authorities like police and so many other people who are seeing, who are observing that people are following the law or not. If we are not following the law, means we are doing illegal activities. If we are not following the laws, then we are punishable. वो हमें punish कर सकते हैं, either हमें penalty भरनी पड़ेगी और either हमें jail हो सकती है if we are not following the law. Okay. Government plays a vital role in maintaining law, order and peace, and also ensures the development of nation. Government is very important for maintaining the law, order and peace. Okay, if government is not there in the nation, then there will be no law, no order and no peace in the nation. Because of the government, law, order and peace are maintained in nation, and they also ensure that nation will develop fast and rapid development of nation is also one goal of government. Okay, next, government at different level. Now, how many level the government work? See, it's not possible for a one person. It's not possible for a one person to keep its eye on each and everywhere. India is a very vast country, so it's not possible for a one person or a one group to keep it eye on everywhere. So that's why government is working at different levels. The level of government is local level, state level and national level. The last level where government is working is local level, and between middle one is state level, and the first one is national level. National level is also known as central level or union level. Okay, so in this three way government is working. This three different level government is working. If there is any problem in village, city or town, then we have to contact to our local government. Okay, and if there is some issue in the particular state, then state government will solve the particular issue. And if there is something in the whole nation, there is some big problem, big issue in the whole nation, then central government will handle all the issues. In this way the government is working at these three different levels. अलग अलग लेवल पे गवर्नमेंट वर्क कर रही है, उसकी वजह से एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जो है ईजी हो जाता है. बिकॉज अगर किसी एक पर्सन के हाथ में सारी पावर है, अगर किसी एक पर्सन के हाथ में सारी पावर है, तो उसके लिए ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि वो हर जगह पता करे क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा. दैट्स वाई जो हेड होते हैं वो लोग गवर्नमेंट को अलग अलग लेवल में डिवाइड कर देते हैं, ताकि जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क है, जो डेवलपमेंट वर्क है, वो इजी और फास्ट फॉर्म में होता रहे. दैट्स वाई गवर्नमेंट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू द डिफरेंट लेवल्स. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज़ द गवर्नमेंट एंड द लॉ. The government frame law and they must be obeyed by all citizens. Now, whatever law is government making for us, we have to obey that law. As the citizen of the country, we have to obey the law. Law and order is very important for the proper functioning of the government. If law and order is not fulfilled, if law and order are not acceptable by the people, then it will create a lot of difficult for the government. It will create a lot of difficulty for the government to work. But if people are following law and order, then it will create a very easy way for the government to work. The government has the authority to make as well as implement law. गवर्नमेंट के पास सारी अथॉरिटी होती है, वो लॉ बना सकती है, कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करवाना है. ईच एंड एवरी अथॉरिटी इज़ विथ गवर्नमेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you must have a ticket while traveling by train. If you are caught traveling without a ticket, you have to either pay a penalty or go to the jail. See, the one law which is made by the government, that when you are traveling in the train or any other public transport, you have to carry the ticket. If you are not having your ticket, means you have to pay the penalty or you have to go to the jail, because you are not following the law made by the government. आप गवर्नमेंट के लॉ का ओबे नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप उस चीज़ को मान नहीं रहे, फॉलो नहीं कर रहे, आप नहीं चाहते कि नेशन में पीस रहे. ओके, सो आपको जेल जाना पड़ेगा या पेनल्टी भरनी पड़ेगी. Okay, now even though the government may work lawfully, in case citizens feel that laws are not being executed properly, they have the right to raise their voice or even go to the court. The court can order the government to take appropriate measures. Now see, we are following what government making the law for us, we are following that. But sometime if we feel that government is not following the law, sometime if we feel that government is disrespecting the law, government is not following the law, then also we can file the case against government. अगर हमें कभी ऐसा लगता है दैट गवर्नमेंट लॉज फॉलो नहीं कर रही, ऑर्डर्स फॉलो नहीं कर रही, तो हम इजीली उनके अगेंस्ट केस फाइल कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद कोर्ट डिसाइड करेगा कि क्या पनिशमेंट उनको देनी है एंड क्या अप्रोप्रिएट मेजर्स एप्लीकेबल करने हैं. उसके बाद कोर्ट डिसाइड करेगा, वो गवर्नमेंट को ऑर्डर देगा दैट आपको ये चीज़ें करनी होगी बिकॉज आपने लॉ एंड ऑर्डर फॉलो नहीं किए. सो ऐसा नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स के हमेशा सिटीज़न को ही सफ़र करना पड़ता है, हमेशा उनके लिए ही लॉ एंड ऑर्डर होते हैं. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर आर फॉर एवरीवन, इवन गवर्नमेंट हैव टू फॉलो दैट लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ऑर्गन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, मीन्स part of the government. At first we have seen the level of the government, at what different level they are working. Now we will see the part of the government, organ of the government. So there are total 3 part of the government. They are legislature, executive and justice. Okay, government is working in 3 part. There are 3 part of the government in which government are working, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. Now what is the work of legislator? They will frame the law. The work of legislator is just to frame the law for the citizen, for everyone. Okay. And what is the work of executive committee? They will see whether the laws are executed properly or not. And last, what is the work of judiciary? They will implement the justice. वो हमें जस्टिस देंगे. इफ़ समवेयर वी आर फीलिंग दैट ये चीज़ हमारे साथ गलत हो रही है, देन वी कैन अप्लाई इन द कोर्ट एंड दे विल गिव अस जस्टिस. इफ़ वी आर राइट ना, देन ओनली वी विल गेट जस्टिस. अगर हम सिर्फ उनका टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ ऐसे ही बस कोर्ट में चले गए कुछ भी केस लेकर, देन हम पे रिवर्स बैक केस हो सकता है, हमको पेनल्टी भी भरनी पड़ सकती है. बट इफ़ वी आर राइट, इफ़ हमारी कोई राइट्स के साथ हमें वो राइट्स नहीं दी जा रही है, या हमारी राइट्स के साथ कुछ इलीगल एक्टिविटीज़ हो रही है, हमारे साथ मिसबिहेव हो रहा है, ऐसा कुछ भी हो रहा है, तो हम इजीली जस्टिस के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो दिस आर द 3 पार्ट्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इन विच गवर्नमेंट इज़ वर्किंग. फर्स्ट इज़ लेजिस्लेटर, सेकेंड इज़ एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड थर्ड इज़ जुडिशरी. ओके. Now, as we know that India is a very vast country. India is very vast country. It is made up of different states and union territories. So, for functioning, for smooth functioning and administration, we are following our book of constitution, and each and every level of government, they are doing their work for proper and smooth functioning. Okay. As I already told you, we are having 3 levels of government: local level, state level and national level. National level is also known as union government and central government. State government is known as state government. If there is some problem in whole nation, then central government will handle the matter. And if there is problem in state, means if we are having any problem in Gujarat, any problem in Surat, see, if we are having any problem in Surat, then our local government can handle that case. अगर वो केस हैंडल कर सकते हैं तो वो करेंगे. आइदर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट विल जंप इनटू द मैटर और फिर वो लोग केस हैंडल करेंगे. अगर पूरे स्टेट के रिलेटेड कोई मैटर है, देन ओनली स्टेट गवर्नमेंट विल हैंडल दैट मैटर. बट अगर पूरे नेशन के रिलेटेड कोई मैटर है, देन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और नेशनल गवर्नमेंट विल हैंडल दैट मैटर. नाउ the legislative body of our government is divided into 2 parts, that is upper house and lower house. Lower house is known as legislative assembly and upper house is known as legislative council, means Vidhan Sabha. Okay, Vidhan Sabha is divided into 2 parts, upper house and lower house. Okay. Yeah, so in our Gujarat we are having only legislative assembly. There are many states who are not having legislative council and there are many states who are not having legislative assembly. Okay, so in our Gujarat we are having legislative assembly. The governor is also a part of the state government. State government का part होते हैं governor. Now this is the chart of the state government. See, state government, the head is governor. Governor के under there are 3 bodies: legislative body, executive body and judiciary, which I told you. Legislative means they are framing the law. Executive means they see whether the laws are executed properly or not. And judiciary means they are sitting here for give you justice. In legislative body there are two houses, upper houses and lower house, that is legislative assembly and legislative council. Now under executive body there is chief minister and council of minister. Now under judiciary there is high court, district and taluka court. Okay, so students, this is your chapter number 3, government. I hope you got the chapter. Thank you so much students.